Okay, just taking a look at our lot. Everything's looking pretty good right now. They're working on the sliding gate right now. And then once the sliding gate is working good, I can remove this angle bar here that you see on the post. I did this as a provision for a swing gate, but then I opted not to put a swing gate because a swing gate would be sticking out on both sides, double swing gate. So we did the slider. We're going to do a sliding gate going back behind this side over here. And he's working on that right now. He's going to be welding and building that sliding gate today. They're putting dirt and compacting it. We're going to dig a well up here, I believe, in this corner. He's going to use this steel here for the gate, the flat bar, and tubing to make the gate. I'm not going to use angle bar this time, just tubing and flat bar. The garage looks good. The cement is getting hard now. They're mixing it all up. They're going to finish up the wall here, putting a smooth finish on it, just like you see here. They'll do it there, finish up that corner there to here, and they're done with the walls. They're going to do this wall over here, finish that little section today, and then the garage inside is going to be all finish coat, cement finish coat. Finish coat's about 3/4 of an inch thick. Is what, 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch is what we put on the walls after we put the cement. And the block, all the block here is solid filled. We have angle bar, or we have steel bar, number 10 vertical, number 8 horizontal, and then we have solid filled blocks all the way around. It's a good solid structure. We don't have to worry about it blowing over in a storm. We use 24 gauge roofing, all steel construction with screws holding the roofing down, tech screws. The 2-inch screws worked out perfect. You can see they're sticking down about 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so all the screws have great penetration through both sides of the 1x1 steel bar. Solid, nice. We use 1.5 inch posts, welded in 9 locations. We got 3 in the back, 3 in the middle, and 3 on the front here. I didn't go with 2-inch this time because, like I said, it's only a garage. It's going to be plenty strong enough. And then over here, we're going to move the generator inside. We're going to keep it over here in San Antonio unless we really need it for our home. And then we'll clean up all the materials here, rake this dirt all out nice, put some dirt from the road that we have in here so that we can put plants in here. I've got a lot of trees, a lot of ideas for growing over here. Once the truck is moved, I can grow this whole area. I have some lemon trees, calamansi, avocado, mainly fruit trees, and we may even try some eggplant and tomatoes over here and see how it grows in this dirt. I'm really curious how well it will grow. So anyway, that's what it's looking like. This whole area here will be planted also, because we're probably going to end up with putting a cement going from the roadway, just 2 strips, 1 meter wide each side, and then grass in the middle, and just go right up, and then we'll be able to go just bring cement like this in a V, so that you can go to either garage, just back out and come out through the cement. I don't want to make solid cement. We may end up. For now, it drains really well. I'm going to probably just use the dirt as it is. This sand drains off really fast. There's no clay over here. They're putting some here, but it drains really fast, really well. Anyway, that's the story of the garage coming along. We've got gutters to put on. I have fascia board I'm going to pick up on Tuesday and bring here. We'll put the gutters on after that in the back. And then again, that area in the corner over here, we're going to have a water tank or drums like this to catch water back here off of the gutter. So we'll have provision for water catchment back here that we can use for car wash, watering plants and car wash for the truck. And then if we need to, we can always go out to the lady as well who owns the land over here that we get water from. We can always go there and fill up drums of water and bring back here for gardening or for car wash or whatever we want. Anyway, looking good. Love it. This project's going to wrap up soon. We'll get this gate done. We'll get this whole thing completed. We have other projects going on right now.